Smiling like you smile in the morning.
Good day everyone and welcome back here. I'm super excited for today's video because we are going to Scentopia. It's a new tourist attraction in Sentosa, Singapore, and I'm super excited to try their perfume tour and perfume making workshop. And thank you so much Scentopia for reaching out to me to do this collaboration. I can't wait to experience making their signature orchid scent. Make sure to watch until the end of this video because we have a giveaway for our one lucky subscriber. So keep on watching! Walk for 7 minutes. We're going to take off our mask. Smile!
항상 처음은 설레이지 널 보러 가는 길도 마치 구름 위지 너에게 하고 싶은 말을 생각하다가 나 이렇게 내가 바보라는 것을 알게 되었어 참 바보같이 머리부터 발끝까지 콩깍지가 쓰여낸 커피를 들고 햇볕 아래서
So cute.
내 마음이 녹은 것 같아 Let's go out in the sun 느낌이 왔어 이 리듬에 맡겨 발걸음에 맞춰 Fly with the wind 이 분위기를 타고 날아가지 못한 곳을 데려가줘 Time after time 사랑을 몰라 말들이 너무 많아 우리 걱정은 많아 널 보며 지금 말해 이제 조금 느낄 수 있어 yeah.
So damn loud.
We have to fill up this form or this questionnaire. One for me and one for you. Let's fill this up first.
Prioritize, enjoy, loving kindness faithfully. Only have time for the good in life.
So we're done answering the 10 questions. It's time to count how many answers are for A, B, C, D, and E. And we need to write them here. And it's gonna determine what type of scent. Is it citrus, fresh, floral, woody, or oriental? So we finally have the result. I got 5 points in the woody scent. So that means I'm a functional introvert who will always put others' comfort above their own. And I am a very careful, meticulous, and responsible person. Oh, how about you? What's yours?
Right, so the highest points I got is letter A, citrus. Cheerful, bright, extroverted, innocent, and energetic people who often like scent of fruits and fresh things. Young at heart and happy personality.
Wow,
Charm.
is that really you? Okay, that's good. We're done.
Working on myself, keeping up with my health. Just trying to keep good vibes, good times on me. Feel it in my heart.
So now it's time to choose our scent. Since I scored high in the woody scent, then I will be choosing here. I need to choose 10 scents, but actually you can also just mix it up. You can go in other scents if you want to, but if you want to stick on where you scored higher or the highest, then you can stick to it.
Just trying to keep good vibes, good times on me. Feel it in my heart.
So if you prefer a stronger scent, you should be in this area. If not, then you should be in the other area, which is here. I will be here and Ken will be on the other side.
I've been smiling so damn much, it kind of hurts. Laughing so damn hard, it feels so good, it's such a rush. Prioritizing joy, loving kindness faithfully. Only have time for the good in life. Working on myself, keeping up with my health. Just trying to keep good vibes, good times on me. Feel it in my heart, deep down from within. It's in my soul. I know how to get back to that joy, that vibe, that light within my eyes.
So you come over here according to the color to go. So this is citrus, one. So you just put your cup and then you will close.
Thank you.
This area here is for women, and the other side here is for men. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the citrus scent. I've chosen the number 1.
Of hurts, laughing so damn hard, it feels so good, it's such a rush. Prioritizing joy, loving kindness faithfully. Only have time for the good in life. Working on myself, keeping up with my health. Just trying to keep good vibes, good times on me.
We're done.
Feel it in my heart, deep down from within. It's in my soul. I know how to get back to that joy, that
I like it. It's not too strong.
my eyes. I know how to
Do you like
Strong.
it?
myself, to myself, to myself. I've been smiling so damn much, it kind of hurts. Laughing so damn hard, it feels so good, it's such a rush. Prioritizing joy, loving kindness faithfully.
Waiting for our
Have
perfume.
time for the good in life. Working on myself, keeping up with my health. Just trying to keep good vibes, good times on me. Feel it in my heart, deep down from within. It's in my
You like it?
Cooling but strong.
I know how to get back to that joy, that vibe, that light
that ends our Scentopia experience. I really enjoyed it because it's so unique and I love the result or the scent of the perfume that we've made. Now, if you've reached until this part of the video, congratulations! Because you will have a chance to win 2 tickets to experience Scentopia in Sentosa, Singapore. All you need to do is to like this video and comment below why you want to go to Scentopia in Sentosa, Singapore. I'm so excited for you guys to experience it too, and I can't wait to read your comments in the comment section below. So I'll see you down there, and thanks a lot for watching. Take care and stay safe.